The future is no longer a distant dream. It has arrived. We are living in the age of artificial intelligence, a revolution as profound as the invention of electricity or the internet. This technology is reshaping our world at a speed we have never seen before. It is not just a tool for scientists or engineers. It is becoming a part of our daily lives, our work, and our society. We must understand this change. We must prepare for it. The decisions we make today will determine our place in this new era. Ignoring this shift is not an option for anyone who wishes to thrive in the years to come. Have you considered that the world of work is on the brink of its greatest transformation? A recent report from major analysts suggests that up to 300 million full-time jobs could be automated by 2030. This is not a scene from a science fiction movie. This is a real data-driven projection about the near future. The force of AI will be like a tidal wave, powerful and sweeping. It will redefine industries, create new economies, and change what it means to have a career. The question is not if AI will impact your job. The question is how you will respond when it does. This is not a time for fear. It is a time for awareness and action. The rise of AI does not mean the end of human work. Instead, it signals a massive reshuffling of roles and responsibilities. This is an opportunity, not a threat, for those who are ready to learn and adapt. Certain jobs are standing directly in the path of the automation wave. These are roles defined by routine. Think of tasks that follow a clear set of rules, day in and day out. Data entry clerks, for example, spend their hours moving information from one format to another, a process that AI can now perform in seconds with perfect accuracy. Similarly, roles in basic customer service that involve answering common questions are prime candidates for automation by advanced chatbots and virtual assistants. These jobs are not disappearing because of a lack of value, but because technology can now handle their core functions more efficiently. The list extends further into sectors we once thought were safe. Consider paralegals who spend countless hours sifting through legal documents for discovery. AI algorithms can now scan and analyze millions of pages of text, identifying relevant information far faster than any human team. Bookkeepers who manage ledgers and reconcile accounts are also seeing their tasks automated by smart accounting software. Even assembly line work is becoming more sophisticated as AI-powered robots can now handle more complex and varied tasks. The common thread is predictability and repetition, the very things that make a task easy for an algorithm to learn. This shift is not a critique of the people performing these jobs. It is simply an economic and technological reality. Businesses will always seek greater efficiency and accuracy, and AI provides a powerful tool to achieve both. When an algorithm can process invoices, schedule appointments, or draft simple reports without error and around the clock, the business case for its adoption becomes undeniable. This is the engine of technological progress. It has happened before with machines in the Industrial Revolution, and it is happening again now with intelligence in the AI revolution. Understanding this logic is key to preparing for what comes next. However, it is crucial to see this as a transformation, not an elimination. Many jobs will not vanish entirely, but will evolve significantly. A customer service representative, freed from answering basic queries, might focus on handling complex, emotionally charged customer issues that require empathy and problem solving. A paralegal might shift from document review to legal strategy, using AI findings to build a stronger case. The focus of human work will move up the value chain, away from the mundane and toward the uniquely human skills of insight, judgment, and interpersonal connection. The challenge is to acquire these skills. For every role that is being transformed by AI, new and exciting career paths are emerging. This is the other side of the automation story. The demand for people who can build, manage, and leverage AI is exploding. Consider the AI engineer, machine learning engineer. These are the architects of the new age, designing the very algorithms that are changing our world. Companies like Google, Meta, OpenAI are in a fierce competition for this talent, offering salaries that often exceed $200,000 for experienced professionals. The growth in this field is not slowing down. It is accelerating as more industries adopt AI. Beyond the builders, there are the interpreters. The role of a data analyst, data scientist has become central to every modern business. These professionals take the vast amounts of data generated every day and using AI tools, turn it into actionable insights. They help companies understand customer behavior, optimize supply chains, and predict market trends. A skilled data analyst is like a translator, speaking the language of both data and business strategy. Major firms like Amazon, Netflix have built their empires on the foundation of data, and they hire thousands of these experts to maintain their competitive edge. Then there are the entirely new roles that did not exist just a few years ago. Take the prompt engineer, for example. This job is about communicating effectively with generative AI models like ChatGPT Midjourney. It is a blend of art and science, requiring creativity, logic, and a deep understanding of how the AI thinks. A great prompt engineer can coax incredible results from an AI. These new careers share a common theme. They work with AI, not against it. To thrive in the age of AI, you must cultivate the skills that, machines just cannot replicate. The most important of these is creativity. AI can generate variations on existing patterns, but true, out-of-the-box thinking and original ideation really remain a uniquely human domain. Next is critical thinking, complex problem-solving. While AI can analyze data, it is the human who must frame the right questions, interpret the results in a broader context, and make strategic decisions under uncertainty. These are not soft skills. They are essential skills for high-value work in the 21st century. Your ability to think critically is honestly your greatest asset. Another vital human advantage is emotional intelligence. Leadership, the ability to understand, empathize with, and motivate other people is fundamental to collaboration, negotiation, and management. AI cannot build trust with a team member or inspire a group to work toward a common goal. It cannot navigate complex social dynamics or provide a compassionate ear to a struggling colleague. As routine tasks become automated, the demand for strong leaders and communicators who can foster positive human interaction will only grow. Of course, you must also develop technological fluency. This does not mean everyone needs to become a coder or an AI researcher. It means developing a comfortable and practical understanding of how to use AI tools to enhance your work. Start by exploring. Use generative AI applications like ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas, draft emails, or summarize long documents. Experiment with AI image generators like Midjourney. Familiarize yourself with the AI-powered features being built into the software you already use from Microsoft Office. Practical, hands-on experience is honestly the best teacher. This commitment to lifelong learning and adaptability is the single most important mindset you can adopt. The stories of successful adaptation are, honestly, all around us. This is an opportunity, not a threat, for those who are ready to learn and adapt. Do not wait for the future to happen to you. Be curious. Be adaptable. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning. Step into it with confidence and build a future where human intelligence and artificial intelligence achieve great things together.